There is perhaps no more distinguishable sound than the call of the macaw. And in southern Costa Rica, there is perhaps no sight more beautiful than a macaw in flight. Mating for life, macaws often live to be 60 to 80 years old. There are more macaws, or lapis as they are known in Costa Rica, on the Osa Peninsula than anywhere else in Central America. Scarlet macaws are beautiful to see in the wild, and their quirky personalities make them a joy to watch. Macaws often fly in pairs or in small groups and can reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Their diet consists mainly of large seeds, fruits, and nuts. They're particularly fond of almond nuts and are the only birds with beaks powerful enough to crack open the tough husk and extract the nut. Unfortunately, the same colorful plumage that makes them such an attraction for tourists is the same plumage that has made them popular pets. The scarlet macaw. Once found on both the Caribbean and Pacific coasts, scarlet macaws are now only found on the Pacific coast, and to be more specific, on the southern Pacific coast. Diversity of all, accounting for some 40% of the world's species. Costa Rica alone has over 850 species of birds, more than the entire North American continent. Most species occupy niches from the forest floor to the canopy and eat fruit, insects, or both. Other species of birds occupy the skies above the canopy, swamps, estuaries, and marine habitats, and have more specialized diets. 70% of Costa Rica's bird species live there year-round. The remaining 30% migrate there, mostly from North America.